Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome if you are new. I just wanted to pause here and send you Christmas blessings to you and your family. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, I'm happy to have you. After today, your family, so please consider subscribing. This video is a part of the Thrifted Ornaments collaboration, which I will talk a little bit more in my video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So ornament number 1. Here I'm using 2 wooden planks that came in a set of 6 from the Dollar Tree. I cut the planks in 4, sanded them down, and gave them 2 coats of white acrylic apple barrel paint. And I'm using my trusted Chalkator stencils. And that one you're seeing in the top left corner was done off camera. And these I selected Be Jolly and Noel. Then I selected some of this shimmering green and also some red paste. And as usual, you have to make sure that you fuzz the stencil before placing on the surface. Once I was satisfied, I placed it where I wanted it and then applied the paste. And this we were asked to DIY thrifted or owned ornaments and exchange them with our partner. But I didn't like the ornaments that I saw at my local thrift store, so I just decided to get creative and do my own. Now, isn't that beautiful? I love how the green looks on top of the white. And that Noel one you saw had some crinkles in the stencil, and when I peel it off, as you can see, the paste was very botchy, and I just decided to shelve that. But I wanted to show you how it looks anyway. So now I'm ready to add some embellishments. This is leaves from a greenery that I had to cut in 2 and then glue those on. And then to add some pizzazz, I took a black Sharpie and jaggedly outlined the edges. Then of course, nothing without a little red bow. So I got this little red bow from this pack of bows from the Dollar Tree, added a piece of jute twine at the back, and this little jolly snowman ornament is done. Here I'm using a bronze marker to outline the edges on this one. And just to add a little bit more definition on the black one, here I'm going back over it with the black marker. And then for this one, I chose this gold eucalyptus pick that I had from last year. I just cut off some of the stem and glued those 2 pieces in the middle, as you can see. And I couldn't decide whether I needed to use the pine cones or these 2 little bells, but then the pine cone one in the end. Here I am just making a small finger bow for the middle. And then I'm just going in now to use my small stencil brush to remove the glue webs. And we're done. I absolutely love these. They're beautiful. So now about this Thrifted Ornament Exchange Challenge. This is being hosted by Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing and Sharon from Cheap to Chic. And then we have the rest of us. We each will be offering giveaways, so you will have to watch the entire playlist. It's just 7 videos, right? And then listen for how you can win prizes. Now on to the next ornament set. These ornaments I had for about 2 years, so I'm DIYing them by just removing the glitter. If you are new here or coming over from the playlist, here on my channel I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and we'll be adding thrift flips later on. If budget-friendly DIYs are your thing and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell and select all so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And if you're looking for journals or still shopping around for Christmas gifts, be sure to check out my description box for the links to my journals on Amazon. Yep, that's a shameless plug. Alright, so now the ornaments are sanded down. I then use some Waverly white chalk paint to paint the outer circle. I then painted the trees green and the trunk of the trees with some Waverly Antique wax. Then I painted the angel white, added some red dots for bulbs on the green trees, some Mod Podge, and once that was dried properly, I replaced the strings and we're done. So here is the final reveal of the beautiful ornaments that I DIY'd for my friend, ready to be gifted. And yes, my partner was Jennifer of Perry Piccola's vlog and I was hers. So go check out Jen's channel. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box as well. And here is the unveiling and final display of the ornaments that Jen sent me. So there you have it, guys. Thrifted and gifted ornaments challenge. The secret word in my video is pizzazz. Let me know in the comments below where in the video was this first mentioned and use it in a sentence. All the comments using that word in a sentence will be entered in for a giveaway. And if you are looking for Christmas DIY inspiration, check out this video or this playlist and be safe until next time. Bye.